Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn how to implement the async validators in the reactive forms. So the implementing the async validator in the React forms is one and the same only. So if you try to observe the custom validations how we have did it, in the same scenario we can implement these async validators also. But little bit of difference will be there. Let's try to understand this one. So right now we have an actor form, right? So which we have that is on the reactive component. So here if you try to see, this is our actor form, which is everything is on the reactive forms module. Here you will be able to see the actor form, the name, role and skill we are having it. So we also have the must not match validator, cross field verification and the custom validator, everything is having. So we will implement the same thing, that is nothing but the async validator also for this one. So right now I will try to implement the async validator for the role. How we can implement this one is, so async validators for this one. So for this, let's say that role is there. So we will have something like a unique role. So you should have a unique role. So that means we need to search it from the database or something like that. Now let's try to create a service for this one. So here I will create a service, actor.service.ts file. And this one is in service, as this one is in service, @injectable. This should be injectable and it should be provided in root, and here we can have export class, what is the name, actor service, and here you can have something like a roles. So the list of roles, I will take it as in roles is hero and the villain. Other than these two things you can select anything. So let's try to have this hero and villain. And is role taken, we will have a method is role taken, and this returns and this role taken role of type string. So this one, and here you can check that this dot roles, and here I need to return wave of, so there is nothing but wave of observable of this dot roles dot includes of role. So whatever the user sending variable, if it is there means then dot pipe of delay of, I will take it as in 1000, something like this. So I am delaying it so that it could be mimicking as an observable. So here this one returns an observable of role. So fine. So now if it is includes means it will return the boolean value. Now we have an actor service. So now we need to implement the unique role validator. So let's try to implement the here unique role dot validator dot ts file. So this is our unique role. So here you can have an export function. You can also implement the class also. Export function unique role validator, and this should return the async validator function. Async validator function. So this is our function, and here it should be something like this. Okay, and here I can write it like this. Yeah. So now, so async validator function. So we need to return the async validator function. So how we can return this async validator function? So that one consists of a control, return control of abstract control. Okay, and in this one, so here what I will try to do is constant. So we will try to take the actor service and let's inject this actor service. Let's inject this actor service. Fine. Maybe I think that actor service should not be injected in this one. Why? Because we should use the injection and all those things in the injection context only. So maybe hopefully in the gods and in the constructors there the injection will work. So here in the validation thing the injection will not work. So let's try to see. We will implement this one. So actor service dot is role taken of control dot value. If it is there means then dot pipe of map, we'll take the map is taken. So if you get a boolean means then, if it is taken means then I will return an object unique role of true. or otherwise I will return the null. That's it. So now I am returning it like this. So now or otherwise I will return the catcher. In the error mode also I will return it. So here comma catch error. So you will get the error and I will return the of null. So I am returning the error also. So now here we are having the map. Okay, so we need to write it here. Okay, so that's it. So now we are returning here. So what is this problem for this one? So we are having this construct and here we are returning the validation and here we need to return, I think. So this could be the problem. Yeah, fine. So now we have written this one. So everything is working fine. So we have implemented this unique role validator. Now we need to add it to the component.ts file. So here for this one you can add it as an object. So validators, the normal validators, if you want you can implement it as an validators dot required. You can implement it, and if you want async validators means async validators, and here you can write the unique role validator and you can call it directly like this. So that's it. So we have implemented for the role also the async validator. Now if you go into this actorform.html and I want to show it for the role. So where is this role thing? So skill is there and skill at the top. Yeah, here this is the role. So here we need to show the errors. So here I can have a do. Okay, here I can have a do, and now what I want to do it is here I need to write the code, right? So for this one what I need to do, we can go here and I can get the role. So instead of writing the entire thing I can get the role. So here I can show return this dot actor form dot controls dot role. That's it. Now here in our unique in the HTML file, so here you can write in a such a way that ngif, so whatever the thing, so here role dot invalid, and or otherwise we will try to write it this one only. So the async validator only will write role dot pending. If it is pending means then checking availability of role. That's it. So now here you can write in such a way that so ngif role dot has error of we can write something like, what is that name for this one? Unique role. So we have added this key of unique role, right? If it is there means so the role is not unique, select another role. Already the role is taken, so you should select another role. That's it. So now here if I try to press enter, the role is required. Oh sorry, so let's go to the app.component. Oh sorry, let's go to the app.component.html, and here I need to write the app actor form. That's it. So now if you try to see here the output, we are able to see the form, and here role is there, and if I try to write the here it is checking the availability of role, and after some time it is not saying. So what could be the reason? So here let's try to check in the console if any problem is there. Yes, so the problem is injection. So injection context only we need to call, I told you, right? Let's go to the unique validator. Where is this unique role validator? Yeah, so we should not inject the service here. So instead of that one you will get the you will try to get the actor service from here, actor service. So I will try to get it from here. So that means where I need to pass. So here I need to pass the actor service. So in order to get the actor service, so here I can inject the actor service is equal to inject of actor service. That's it. So now here I need to pass the this dot actor service. That's it. Now let's try to see whether we can able to get the output or not. So hopefully we should able to get output. Fine. So here I am writing the hero and it is trying to check the, so here it is able to say role is unique, and if I try to write it like this, so now it is fine. But here if you try to see hero, now it is checking the availability of role is not unique, check availability. But whenever I am trying to write it here, it is always trying to check the availability, right? So what I want to do it is upon blurring, so that means if I come out of this one, then only it needs to calculate. For this one, what I can do it is, so here in our thing I can write for this one here update on. So you will be having different types of things. Update on, here you can show blur change submit. So here blur, I will try to implement the blur. So now if I refresh this page, okay, and here whenever I am trying to check it hero, so fine. Now if I come out here, now it is checking and it is telling that hero role is not unique, please select another role. So this is how it will be implemented. We will be implementing the async validations in the reactive forms. So hope you understood about this reactive forms concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.